if you go to Israel, then I know you have to be very early at the airport. That's what I know.
Yeah.
We spend 3 hours because you have two interviews from two different persons, and then they have a meeting. And then they fix out if you replied in the same way.
Oh, yeah.
And, so that to Israel is that.
That's wonderful. Because sometimes you have no idea what to answer.
Yeah. Because the questions are so stupid.
Yeah, stupid question.
Yeah, but it was very, very easy to enter to Russia. That's what my impression at the airport in Moscow. It was like, it was very easy. It was very easy. There was a lot of paperwork for the visa. That's what,
Yeah,
I
but
think.
even that was easy because you could fill it in on the internet.
Yeah, you could fill it on the internet, but I don't know what you